convenience. So this question is asking how many quarts in a gallon. Okay, so let's actually refer not to just the answer shown there, but to our handy conversion sheet here. And what does this say? So it says 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. Okay, but we want to know the quarts in a gallon. Now we can just straight up guess, right? But for this, I want to actually use this time to practice, keeping with your digits and your conversion factor. So if we said X gallons is what we have, right? We want to make sure we transfer it over to quarts, because although we know it's a 4-to-1 ratio, we want to make sure that we're applying the 4-to-1 ratio in the correct fashion. Okay? So to get rid of gallons in the numerator, you need gallons in the denominator. Okay? And it says here there's 4 quarts, so that would be what goes up here. Okay? And just like that, these two cancel out. And there you have it. X times 4. So it'll be 4x quarts. For any X that you get for gallons, it'd be 4 times the amount. If I had 2.5 gallons, that would be 10 quarts. So things like that, although it's relatively simple in face value, the important thing to take away here is that when you start getting into more and more complicated unit conversions, make sure you keep track of which units are actually being canceled and which are being added. But yeah, that's all I really have for this question. Let's see what it says here. Oh. Yes, okay, exactly. Oh, there's 2 different types of quarts. I did not know that there were different types of quarts and gallons. Good to know. Hopefully they're not going to ask you how many US quarts are in a Canadian gallon or a UK gallon, for example. That would be a headache of a question. But yeah. So now let's move on to question 4.